In a lush, verdant forest stood a humble stick insect named Sticky. Unlike his vibrant friends, Sticky blended seamlessly with the twigs and leaves. His secret lay in his ability to camouflage, a skill he had honed for years. One sunny day, a curious bird named Chirpy flew over the forest. Spotting Sticky's friends, he admired their colors and patterns. Yet, when he saw Sticky, he could not help but wonder, why is he so plain? Chirpy approached Sticky and asked, "Why do you not have colors like my other friends?" Sticky replied, "I do not need colors, Chirpy, for I am a master of camouflage." Intrigued, Chirpy decided to test Sticky's skills. Chirpy perched on a branch and called out, "Sticky, can you find me?" Sticky remained still, blending perfectly with the twigs and leaves. Chirpy hopped around, trying to shake off Sticky's gaze, but to no avail. Frustrated, Chirpy asked, "How do you do it? I can't see you anywhere." Sticky smiled and replied, "It is simple, Chirpy. I learned to be like the things around me." Chirpy pondered Sticky's wisdom, realizing that sometimes being unnoticed can be a strength. From that day on, Chirpy admired Sticky, the master of camouflage. He learned that being different was not a flaw, but a unique gift, and that blending in did not mean hiding, but adapting. And so, the forest flourished with friends who understood the value of camouflage.